Tui a te rangi e tui honei, tui a te papa e takoto ake nei, tui atu, tui mai, tui a te here tangata ki te whai ao, ki te ao marama. Ti hei, Māori ora, nau mai hara mai, tātou mai, ki tēnei pāpāhotanga. E whai ake nei, ko Matamata College, me Wesley College. E whai ake nei, kei te papatakaro o Matamata College. Nau mai and welcome to this first 15 CNI rugby match between the hosts, Matamata College and Wesley College. As we look at the sides today, starting off with Matamata College. Up front is Naiti Ngatabua, Da Costa and Keenan, the captain. The locks are Collins and Pollard. The loose forwards, Horn, Johnson, Wilson and Hodaki. In the halves, Sherrard and Waru, the co-captain. In the midfield is Rapana and Richards. On the wings is Naiti Ngatabua and Goodwin. And at the back is Loveridge. And on the bench, Clothier, Mana Edwards, West, Tiriton, Milne, Mowat, and Tu Hakaraina Koko. And the coaches are Logan Allen and Richard Waru. So a nice still day here at Matamata College as we look at the visiting side. Wesley College from South Auckland up front, Tu'uheava, Folau and Lumuni. The locks are Tuifua and Whangupo. The loose forwards, Forbes, Uhatahi and Atuna. In the halves, Ratulevu and Fraser. In the midfield, Byers, the captain, and Mothe. And on the wings, New and Aria. And at the back is Baker. And on the bench, Lea, McFarland, Tui Halamaka, Taufo, Natutusau, Maizi, and Makahununuia. And the head coach of Wesley College is Lawrence Lawrence. Tino maurito, te rangi nei, ke konei ki Matamata. Ko anaru rao tēnei, tuku mihi atu ki a koutou katoa, e hono hono mai nei ki tēnei pāpāhotanga. He uri tēnei no raukawa kiuta, raukawa kitai. No reira tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou katoa, ko tēnei te wiki tuatoru o tēnei whakataitai whutuporo o ngā kura tuarua no te puku o te kā Māui. So we're sitting in anticipation now for the start of this match. It's Wesley College, first 15, sitting in 4th position, travelling south to Matamata College, who are sitting in 8th. And Wesley College, they've had 2 wins and 1 loss. And Matamata College, they haven't won a match since the first one back in round 1, with 1 win and 2 losses. So we're just waiting for the 2 sides to come out. As we look at the results over the last 3 weeks, starting off with Matamata College, they kicked off very strongly with a huge win over St. John's Hastings, winning 46 points to 7. In round 2, they went down to St. Paul's Collegiate, 46-0. And just last week, they went down to Lindisfarne College, 52 points to 3. So it's been a couple of weeks since they've scored a try. Matamata College, they hope to get on the board today as the Matamata College team run out onto the field. Wesley College, on the other hand, in round 1, they went down 20 points to 12 to St. Peter's. In round 2, they had their first win against Lindisfarne, 29 points to 27 in a close encounter. And last week, they won handsomely, 54 points to 10 against Francis Douglas Memorial College. And Anei te kura no Tāmaki Makaurau ki te tonga. As Wesley College are playing in the grey strip today. As they come out. And they'll line up now for the haka. O te ihi te wehi me te mana o Matamata College. Me te kaupapa o tērā haka e tuku mihi atu ki ngā iwi I roto I te takiwa o Matamata. As the two sides prepare to kick off. Matamata College, established in 1918. Mā mahi ka ora is their motto, which means by work we prosper. And Wesley College, established in 1844, the oldest secondary school in Aotearoa. And their motto, Fide Literis Labore, which translates from Latin into English, by faith, by learning, by hard work. And they'll be looking to embody that this afternoon as they come up against Matamata College, the first ever year participating in the CNI competition. As we're underway, look out, Wesley College, Te Poro, I roto I tō rātou ake hawhe. Ka neki ai Te Poro I nai nei ki Whanganui o Te Papatakoro. Inside their own 22 now, Wesley College just spreading it out wide, it pops out. But it goes backwards and it's still sitting there for Wesley College. From inside the 22, te konei te whana. Te whanarua. Engari, kāre puta ki waho. It's Loveridge. Te teitei hoki o Loveridge. I aroana ki ngā āputa engari. I kati. Tere rawa atu tērā āputa. E hauraki tēnā. Kōkiri whakamua ana. Matamata, hot on the attack. Front rower. Keenan, the co-captain, the head prefect for Matamata. Puta inai nei ki tēnei taha. Katau, Loveridge. Wilson, engari ko puta te poro, ki waho. Nō reira, tēnei, te tūtira, tuatahi. They'll play the knock-on first. So, he kakari, e whai ake nei. The first scrum of the match will be one to watch. And the boys up front are pumped and ready to go, as you can hear from the referee's mic. So, ko Ratu Levu tēnei, e whāngai ana. Tēnei kakari. Vida Ratulevu, born in Fiji. One of many playing today who were born in the islands. Good tackle, great defence. Slightly high there, above the sternum. Nō reira ko tēnei, te hāmene tuatahi o te kēmu. Te aroana ki wahora. Te whana, e whai ake nei. E pēwhia te roa, Rawe, kei reira, te rārangi rua, te kaumārua. So it'll be Wesley College, deep into Matamata College territory now. Kona Fulau, the hooker for Wesley College. Ready to throw it into the line out. His favourite player is Jonah Lomu, one of the Wesley College old boys, superstar. All Black, one of 13 who have come out of Wesley College. Rawet tēnā, it's there for Ratulevu. engari, kua taka whakamua te pōro. Kārawi te rārangi, kaupare, tere, kōkiri whakamua ana. Matamata defence, just coming up quick enough to break down the attack. Wesley College, a second equal with Kelston boys to have won a record 5 national titles. So they come with immense pedigree here today against Matamata College, who were the Waikato Division 1 champions last season. Huge scrum, but it's still there for Matamata. Engari, kua taka whakamua, kei reira tonu te pōro, mō Wesley College, ratu levu, he makapoto tēnā. Keeping it close within the forwards here, Wesley College. Nei te kokorere, neki ana te pōro, ki ngā paumua. Short ball, gap opens up. Centimetres short. Oh, engari ko taka whakamua te pōro. Opportunity gone begging there for Wesley College. It was Levi Byers, the captain. No Ngāti Parau. Getting very close to the line. Yes, Byers, year 13. Has played for Counties Manukau under 18s. And plays tag football as well. He's representative for the Cook Islands under 21 team. And also an exponent in sevens, playing for the New Zealand Bucks Global Youth team. Another huge scrum by Wesley College. It could be a tight head, but a penalty for Matamata. Te kaha hoki o te kakari a Wesley College. E hia ngā wā kua neke whakamuri a Matamata i aua kakari rā, tērā te kakari tuarua o te kēmu. Nō reira, he tūtira anō ke te haere, ke a Matamata te pōro, e whiu ana ki muri rā, engari, o ahua titoki, kōtiti haere te whiu. But it looks as though there were issues with numbers in the line out, so a free kick. Can't kick it out into touch, otherwise it'll be a turnover, so they tap it and go. Matamata. Oh, turned over and an advantage for a knock-on. So Matamata just can't quite get a groove on here, not yet anyway. And Wesley College will sense yet another opportunity on the horizon. Wesley College have produced not only 13 All Blacks, but an Australian representative in Sekope Kepu, 10 Fijian representatives, 7 Samoan representatives, and 8 Tongan representatives. Here they come. They go to Byers, and they spread it wide to New, looking to offload. It goes to ground. Good hands, picked up nicely by Baker. Bow to come out. Good counter ruck there by Matamata College, pushing Wesley backwards. Tēnei ratu levu, e omane te pōro, e maka poto, kei reira tonu, kei te ora tonu te pōro. Ka haere ki tēnei taha poto, ko ratu levu, e maka nei kia tui fua. And it's been knocked on. It's there now for Matamata with the counter-attack opportunity. The kick in behind. It stays in play. It's there nicely for Wesley. The pass finds the ground. And now they spread it, but it's been knocked on by Mothe, Jeremiah Mothe at centre.
Let's go, lads. Big scrum.
Beautiful to see. counter-attacking from both sides.
Make
in
it
that
into
passage
whip,
of
boys.
play.
Pull that in, wait. Pull that squeeze in, wait. Time again, we love this shit, let's go.
Reira, e tēnei taha, ki muara, ko tipu, ki awa, e pakanga, ki a Patrick Keenan. Solid scrum there, Matamata holds on to it nicely, pops out now, Waru spreads it, out to Richards, Richards now, Tarapana, Turongo Rapana, the short ball and the kick by Goodwin goes out into touch. Ko tērā pia, ko tērā te wā tuatahi, ko puta ai te poro ki ngā pau muri o Matamata, atu I tērā kakari, pai ake tērā kakari, a Matamata, e hare e neke whaka muri, I tawa wā, engari he tūtira anō ke te haere. Wesley College with the throw into the line out, it's Folau. To the middle. The throw was good. Now they spread it. Fraser. A good bust. Right up the middle here. Getting way over the advantage line. Ratu Levu. And in the pocket. With Panaroa. Naitinga Tambua. He is dangerous, the Fijian. Born in Lautoka, but he's lost it. Ko huri nai nei kia Wesley. Ko te kore, me te kore. Te kau miniti. Ko hipa. A rampaging run there. Now they go right. Head down. Still there for Wesley. Stringing the phases together. Mothe. Reira te kaupare. Anō. A Matamata. Schwers, Lumuni. E Makapoto anō. Oh, lovely offload. Ratulevu just looking, and it's Tuhiava. Good offload, hard to stop. Lumuni. It goes back. Play on. Ko tērā te piro, tuatahi o te kēmu. And it looks as though it's Tavita Ratulevu, who may have just dotted over for the try for Wesley. Te rima ki te kore. Matamata have done really well to hold out the Wesley College attack. But the gap started to open up, and the size of the Matamata of the Wesley College forwards and the power and strength, phase after phase, just to get over that advantage line and get in a really strong position to score. Right. Ko whiwhi whana turuki. Nō reira ko te whitu ki te kore. Ka mau te wehi. Kia Wesley College. Mo tērā piro tuatahi o te kēmu nei. Constantly looking to offload. Ka neke te poro, ki tēnei tahi nai nei. Ah, engari, ko Katsia te kēti. Ka Tulevu, kia Fraser. Rotonu ana te poro. Ka puta atu I nai nei. Ki rā makaroa. Oh, intercepted! Matamata College, and guess who it is? It's Naitinga Tambua, the winger. They need a spark, Matamata, but they've conceded a penalty. And unfortunate for Oni, Naitinga Tambua just didn't quite have enough support as he intercepted that ball. He is one to watch on that left wing, and here he is again. Naitika Tambua passes it to Loveridge. He whanaroa. Oh, he pai te ahu o tēnei whana. Oh, that's been touched by Wesley. So Matamata College have a net gain in prime position now. Whaiake nei. Tēnei pūtira I te taha o Matamata.
No contest.
He whiuaroa, he pai tērā, Keenan. Keenan with a rampaging run off the back of the line out. Rapana. He kani mai ia. He hāmene kei mua I ngā pau. He a te whakatau o Matamata I tēnei wā. Daniel Sherrard gives it to Loveridge. And he looks straight away to the corner. Love it, the attacking prowess of Matamata College. They know that they must score tries if they have any chance of beating Wesley College this afternoon. Tērā te rārangi, rima mita, Matamata, ka haere ki mua tērā, tūtira, e mōro ana engari kua taka ki te papa. Sherrard goes wide, and it's with Rapana. That's a good win! Good win! Almost releases brilliant rugby IQ. Good win. A couple of metres short. Matamata hot on the attack. Johnson. Pick and go close to the line. Home crowd roaring on their side. He hāmini anō, kei te haere. Engari o te māka no reira ka hoki atu ia. Quick tap. Hauraki. Tyler Hauraki. Hard to stop. Pick and go again. It's Keenan. The co-captain almost reaches out to the line. He aha, te rautaki, ka puta te poro, waru, kia Naitinga Tambua! He's over! The danger man scores. I whākio, ki te ao, kia tūpato mo tērā, parirau I te taha, MΑORI, Oni, Naitinga Tambua. Nō reira, kua taimai ia, kua piro ia, ko tērā te piro tuatahi. Mana I tēnei kēmu, engari tokorua ngā piro ki tāna ingoa. I roto I tēnei whakataitai, ko Oni, Naitinga Tambua. Whānau mai ia, I lautoka, ke tau, te kaumārua ia. Naitinga Tambua wants to be a barber when he finishes school. He got capped last week to acknowledge 15 matches that have been played at Matamata College. And kua ea tērā whana turuki. Nō reira, riti ai ngā piro whitu ki te whitu. So Matamata College, can they cause a big upset and make a real statement in this competition this afternoon? Kaumā whetū miniti kua hipa. Kia reira, Matamata College. No hoana ki ngā paumua. Inside the 22. Ka whana, Asheran. Ka haere tōtika kia Baker. E maka nei nai nei, he oma kaha tēnei. Oh, another intercept. And it's Dylan Goodwin. Oh, he's just lost it. It's there now for Baker. Tulevu. Oh, nice tummy there by Lumuni. Still going. Lumuni. Fraser. Oh, good take. Baker. Oh, brilliant pass on the inside to Fraser. They're lining up now, Wesley. It goes backwards. Play on. Good defence. Keeps it alive, Wesley. Matulevu. Hiava. Born in Tonga. Well, born in New Zealand, sorry, but from Tonga. And Wesley. Hea te whakatau o te kaiwa wao. Oh. Just time off briefly for both sides. There's a player down at the moment, getting some attention. But Wesley College, every time they have the hands on the ball, they're looking dangerous on attack. And in saying that, with the limited possession Matamata College have had, to be level on the scoreboard right now, they'll be very pleased. And I'm sure Coach Logan Allen will be more than happy with how his team is tracking so far. Toko whitunga o pango, kua puta mai I a Matamata College. Ko Terry Morrison, Kip Fawcett, Murray Taylor, Warwick Taylor, Craig Innes, Jason Spice, and Brendan Leonard. Tahi noiho te Mamaku, Blackfern, Meki, atu I a Matamata College, ko Kelsey Wills tēnā. They've been very impressive despite losing the last two matches, Matamata College, by quite big margins. This has been one of their best halves of the year. The big question is, can they put in a 70-minute effort? Nō reira he hāmene, mō Wesley. He tūtira pe te haere. Hea te whakatau ka noho ki ngā paumua, ka puta rānei ki ngā paumuri. Ako nei, ka kitea. Forbes tēnā, engari. Oh, kua taka whakamua. A slight knock on in the line out there. Oh, it's a free kick, in fact. Problem with numbers again at line-out time for Wesley College. And they may just look to put a high one up here. Free kick, short arm penalty. But no, they'll find the touch, knowing full well that possession will sit with Wesley. Forbes off the leg, but Matamata come up with it. Nekiki tira tahapoto. Got a little knock on there up front by Patrick Keenan. And Keenan is right there at the front of in the front row of that scrum for Matamata, co-captain. He's the third consecutive Keenan brother to captain Matamata College with his brothers Darcy and Casper having the honours before him. His sister has also captained the girls team, and he's played for the Harlequins under 17 side. A bright future, Patrick Keenan. Te whakamohio mai ki a koutou. Toru tekau mā rima miniti o ngā hawhe. This match has had a frenetic pace. So a chance for both sides. Just have a bit of a breather. Ratu levu. Fraser to the midfield, short ball, attacking hard. There's Mote. Yes, Matahi. Te te ono hoa, kei reira. Ahua pōtiri, ngari, kei reira tonu te pōro. Wesley.
Nice.
Fraser, the makaroa.
What's up, Sam, boy? Oh, with him, boy.
Oh, man, se haere. Tino teitei. Ia, engari, e ora tonu te pōro. O muni.
What's up? Yeah, nice.
What's the front door? What's cheeky front door?
Whangupo.
Oh, with him, boy.
Oh, kua taka te pōro. Te reira mō rapana.
Nice. No, go.
Couple of knock-ons there. The first one from Wesley. Nō reira kua huri te pōro ki a Matamata. He kakari e whai ake nei. Āhua te kaumārua pia. Te kaumārua miniti e toi ana. E tēnei wāhanga tuatahi o te Kebu. It's 7-all. Matamata will feed the scrum just outside their 22. And they have a very dangerous backline full of a lot of talent
Big boss, Wesley.
and speed.
No,
So
Kaliama.
let's see. First step is to have a stable enough scrum. Hauraki. Mai murira. E makani nai nei. Kia Shirat. E whana poto. E ora tonu te pōro. Engari. I pā tono waiwai. I te papa. Ki wahora. Nō reira ka hoki atu.
Use it, Wesley.
Ki te wahi. E whana ai te pōro. So they had the right idea. Matamata tried to pat it back in, but we must jump
Come on,
from
Nassim.
the field of play. And the problem there was that he had put a foot out already and then touched the ball. So out on the full from the referee. Line out is good for Wesley. Now they're hot on the attack. The inside ball for Byers.
Over, boy. Nice. Go with it, boy.
Tonu te pōro, mo Wesley, Fraser, kia Baker.
With him, boy.
Baker, still going. Fraser, Ratu Levu. E neki ana te pōro, he whana, Pitaha. How's the chase? New tries to keep it in, but they had the advantage, Wesley College.
Yes.
So ka hoki atu ki te hāmene, kei mua i ngā pau, nō reira he whakatau nui, e whai ake nei. Engari i tiro ana Fraser ki ngā pau, ko tērā te whakatau.
Nice work, boy.
Well, that's a win for Matamata College. A credit to their defence, with Wesley opting to take the 3 points. Not a silly idea, of course, right in front.
Is it a penalty?
Wesley College not being complacent here, despite the differences on the points table. Oscar Fraser lines up the penalty shot from right in front. He was born in Craigavon, Ireland, and nails that penalty goal. The Irishman, his favourite player is Jamison Gibson Park, the Ireland number 9, who came out of Auckland, played for the Blues. Fraser has also played for the New Zealand Irish Barbarians Sevens team at the Global Youth Sevens last year. And when he leaves school, he would really love to play rugby back in his homeland of Ireland. Almost taken from the kickoff by Harry Collins, the lock forward for Matamata College.
No worries, shit.
Yeah, Harry Collins. The ball just floats it up from the restart there, and he got a hand to it. Harry Collins starting this match after starting off the bench last week. Ratu Levitt in the back of the scrum. Took ball straight out there. And in the pocket, but of course taken outside the 22, so this ball cannot find touch. And it's now Naintinga Tambua to Loveridge. He whanaroa. Engari. Kitaki waho. Tauana. Nō reira ka hoki atu. Ki te wāhi e whana ai te poro. So just off the side of the boot there. Which gives Wesley a good opportunity before the break to get some more points. Tana pull out e whāngai ana I tēnei tūtira. Ka haere ki muri, but it's crooked and turned over. And sitting at the back there was Hauraki to scoop up the pieces. The long ball by Waru, and they spread it even further, and it's heading towards Loveridge. Loveridge straightens, offloads it, but support wasn't quite there in time. And Wesley come up with it. Oh, Kaniki ki tērā taha poto for Wesley. Baker, Lyron Baker, engari he hāmene. Holding on to the ball at the breakdown, not releasing. So again, Matamata College get out of jail. There's Loveridge, kicks long. Troy Loveridge, the fullback for Matamata College, another one who was capped last week for his 15th match for Matamata. Tokorua ngā piro, ki tāna ingoa, I tēnei tau. Good take by Pollard. Johnson, short ball for Hauraki, no Ngāti Haua. Just settling it now with Sherrard. Who is the head prefect alongside Patrick Keenan. Talking about Keenan, there he is. A little snipe off the back of that ruck. Naintinga Tambua. It's Jono, the brother of Oni. It goes to Oni. Naintinga Tambua. Goes in a bit high here. He really needs to release the ball. Struggling to release it. Oh, but a penalty for Matamata. A high shot. And Oni, Naintinga Tambua, did very well in the end to earn a side as a penalty. So Loveridge looks to plug the ball into the line out, but no, just a last minute decision there to take the shot at goal. Moreira ko Anson, Waru, tēnei e tuake, ki mui a tātou I tēnei wā. E ātaro anua ki ngā pau. Me te whakaro nui, ka taia e au. Pretty good angle, not too far out. And as you can see, the trees in the background, not much wind to speak of. Fairly still day here in Matamata. But Anson Waru has played for the under-18s, Global 7s in the tournament back in December. His dad, Richie, is the forwards coach. And he's already got one try to his name in 2026. The penalty goal is good. Matamata level the scores again, 10-all. Tēnō teitei rawa atu tērā ki ngā rangi tūhaha. Kua taka ki te papa kia papatu ānuku. And ko ai rā kua maua nei te pōro. Ko tērā tangata ko Lumuni, ko Wesley. Engari, ke te kōkiri whakamua, tonu a Wesley. So Ratu Levi. Oh, but a little knock on. It's been the story of the half for Wesley. They build a whole bunch of momentum, but just little bits and pieces just breaking down. And saying that, they're looking very dangerous on attack, Wesley College. Heoi, rua miniti e toi ana, tēnei wāhanga tuatahi. Matamata will be more than happy to just boot it downfield, to get more territory and get out of the danger zone. It's exactly what they do. Leverage, me te whana nunui rawa atu. Tata ki te rārangi hawhe.
Finish strong. I ain't got nothing. Money. That's right. Schoolboy. Nice.
Ai, te ata tōru Lumuni. Pitania naine kia Fraser. Makapopo naine kia Baker. Could be turned over. Someone's lost the boot. It's there now for Matamata. And it's Wilson who loses it. Wesley, come back up with it. Bilal.
Yes!
Dummy, but he breaks the line. Straight up to the fullback Lovers, the brilliant defence. Fraser pops it out wide. They've got numbers here. Offload is not executed. He's held onto it. Good rugby IQ there by Wesley. There for Lumuni. Lumuni hard to put down. Eventually, kua taka ki te papa. Haramai ki tēnei taha. Māori ka uhatahi tēnā. Byers with a little shimmy. Good defence again by Matamata. He Makapoto. He Neke Whakamua. Wesley, it opens up. Surely there's a try on the way. No. Breaks down. It's there for Lumuni. He's been everywhere. Lumuni. Right by the post. Quick ball will be the key. Big step by Baker. Baker can't let go of the ball. Does well to hold on to it, but a penalty. Matamata College will be stoked with their defence as Lumuni goes back to collect his boot. The amount of times that man, Kaliova Lumuni, had the ball in that passage of play, losing his boots in the process. The Matamata will be more than happy to tap and boot it into touch as the first half is over. A very tight tussle here at Matamata College between Matamata College and Wesley College. There is nothing that separates them in this first half. Nō reira, i te mutunga o te hawhe tuatahi. It's 10-all between Matamata College and Wesley College.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey, sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nā hoki mai tātou mā ki tēnei papahotanga a whakaata Māori. Tēnei te kēmu. I mua I te aroaro nei ko Matamata College me Wesley College. 10 all at half-time between the hosts Matamata College and the visitors Wesley College. Well, it's a good opportunity now to acknowledge whakaata Māori for providing the platform to share this match with whānau across Aotearoa, but also to acknowledge te taurewhiri I te reo Māori for their ongoing support and development with te reo Māori and strengthening its presence in sporting events like this. And also a huge thank you to our other sponsors, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects and Anchor, whose sponsorship enables us to share this event with you and your whānau, and for backing the growth of sport and community initiatives across Aotearoa. So what an entertaining, tight tussle first half we've just had here at Matamata College. And it was Wesley College who started well with plenty of possession and then scoring about 12 minutes into the match. And then Matamata College came back with a try to Oni Nightingale Tambua on that left wing. And then a couple of penalty goals between both sides, levelling the scores at halftime. As we're almost set to get underway in the second half of the CNI competition for 2026.
Smoke them! Let's go, yeah, let's go!
Nice having to get
Ko timata te wahanga tuarua o tēnei kēmu. Ngari ko neke whakamua te poro. O kau ia ki te kawa wao. Ora tēnei te poro. Matamata College. Short ball there by Costa. Still there for Matamata. Inside their own half. Waru passes it out now with leverage. Oh, good defence by Wesley. Forcing Vieira. Oh, behind. A little flick pass there by Wesley College. So Wesley with Lumuni has been everywhere in this match. Baker. They spread it. On that left edge. Still there for Wesley. Looks as though there's some replacements who have come on. Wesley. Te whakararangi a Wesley ki tēnei taha katau. Pick and go. Turevu. Lumuni. From a standing start. Another short ball. Engari, ka hoki atu ki te hāmene, a long advantage for offside. Kei Oscar Fraser te poro, kaha wānanga ana ia. Iona, hoa tākaro. Engari ko te whakatau. He kakari kei te haere. So Wesley College back in their scrum, right in front of the post. In the first half, they were in a similar position, position on the field with a penalty, but opted to take the 3 points. This is positive play here by Wesley.
Come on, Kaliama! Yes!
Atuna takes it from the scrum. Ratulevu, short ball, but the referee was right there. I reira te kaiwa wau. Kete ana te poro, e neke whakamua ana mai ngā ringa. It was looking like a brilliant set play. Was cooking up there for Wesley College from the scrum. But now Matamata find themselves feeding a scrum inside their own 22. Shirard. The halfback. New Zealand Secondary Schools in javelin, 400 metres and 800 metres. A very good athletic sportsman, and here he is, Daniel Shirard. Matsuka Tambua, short ball for Keenan. He can't stay in. Can't stay in field. Daniel Shirard tēnā. E kaha o mai atu I tōna ake rua tekau mā rua. Me te tere hoki.
Here's another flag.
Lot of talking in this line out. Oh, it's been overthrown, but it's still there with Lamuni, but it's incorrect throw into the line out. Nō reira, he kakari mō Matamata, and they can feel it. They can feel the momentum, Matamata. They've got the energy here. They can sense something special could be coming. Obviously, still early days here in the second half. But for a brand new team like Matamata to enter this competition, the CNI competition in 2026, and to compete the way they've been competing against one of the best rugby schools in Aotearoa, you've got to give them credit for how they've prepared themselves for this afternoon's encounter.
Get low, Jono. Let's go, man. 10 seconds. Lock two. Go. Up, Wesley. Boys. Get him up. Come on, boys. Get him up. Sit. Opila. Squeeze.
Oh, kaharawa tēnei, kakari. Ai, he hāmene mō Wesley. Ko tū mai rātou, ki tērā wero. The front row's just popping up, and the big push by Wesley College, and that scrum earns their side a penalty. Ooh. Wow, a bit of a dispute there. It was Oni Nightingale trying to keep it in field, couldn't quite pull it off.
Your ball, Wesley! It's your ball!
He whiana tēnei tūtira. Ai, he pai ake. Wesley. Tēnei te mōro e ne ke whakamua ana. Kei te neke tonu tēnei mōro. Tata ki te rārangi, ko tērā te rārangi rima mita. Tata ki te rārangi piro. Falau's in there, under all of that. Who's under it? Oh, held up. Held up. Pats on the back by the Matamata College players. What a job they did there to prevent a try from being scored.
Not out, boys.
Oh, cool. That's a line dropout. Goal line dropout. So Wesley straight up the guts from the back fence, a little step, and he's still going. And a penalty right in front of the post. Wesley. Cause of use it from the sideline. Ko taimai ngā kai tautoko a Wesley College. Hi matamata I tēnei rangi. Ai, kei te oma rātou. So tap and go. They want to pile the points on. How is this Matamata College defence going to hold out against this attack? Lemuni. E neki ai te pōro ki tērā taha Māui. Atu level. Whakararangi ai ngā paumua. Kōkiri, whakamua ana. Mothe. Jeremiah Mothe. Ki tērā te reharangi rima mita. Short ball. Lamuni. Looking to offload. Plants it nicely. Wesley. Short ball. Serve to Uhiava. So close to the line. So close. Surely. Good defence. Held up. Oh, and a penalty. A penalty for Matamata on their own try line. Double movement by Tu'uhiava as he attempted to just reach over and score. Got the white line fever. And again, the Matamata College defense resolute.
Not out, boys.
Ia Matamata, te whāngai ki tēnei tūtira e whai ake nei.
Come on, Wesley! Come on, Wesley!
Costa ki Whanganui rā o te tūtira, ka puta te poro i nai nei kia Waru. Waru goes out to Hauraki.
Topic!
Leverage
Oh, wait. Schoolboy!
does well. Lyron Baker was there, a good offload, keeping it alive. Watulevu. Short ball. Getting over the advantage line, swinging the faces together. Fraser, short ball coming up this right side. They're lining up here. Wesley, oh, Aria was wide open. The ball just going behind him. And the execution not quite there as of yet for Wesley College. Up to Aria would have been away. Matamata go quickly. Another successful line out. Good hands by Johnson.
Topic!
Leverage on his trusted boot. Goes backwards. It's there for Baker. Baker, good ball. And they're off. Here we go. Wesley from the counter attack. Wesley College, it's Maninu with a try in the corner. Te uri no te Atiawa, Maninu, te piro tuatahi o tēnei hawhe tuarua. Maninu set up nicely by Lyron Baker at fullback. On the counter attack on the short side there on that left edge. The Maninu. It's his first year playing first 15 footy for Wesley College. Also a very good tag football player playing for the New Zealand Tag Invitational team. And the South Auckland Tag team as well. His favourite player is Dan Carter. And Maninu is hoping to study physiotherapy at university when he finishes up at school. But he's got a bright future, Maninu, and he's got a ton of speed to boot. Ahua uaua tēnei whana mai te taha o te papatakoro nei. Oh, kua whiwhia te rā whana. Fantastic conversion from the sideline by Oscar Fraser. 17-10. Wesley College with a healthy lead now. They'll be really glad to get on the board. They've had quite a few opportunities early in the second half on attack. But the Matamata College defence has held out strong. But on that occasion, it was the counter-attacking prowess at the back by the outside backs of Wesley College that resulted in a try to Maninu on that left wing, wearing the famous number 11 jersey for Wesley College. As they shift Wesley, they come out to Apo Aria. Oh no, in fact, it's the replacement Pio Natutusao who's come on for Wesley College, was on the end of that line. Natutusao, born in Fiji, comes on. for the last few minutes of this encounter. Matamata, good line out again. Out to Waru. Johnson. Starting this week. He was starting off the bench last week. Waru again to Richards. That was leverage. Chop down. Makane nane kia Keenan. Taka ki te papa. Ahua pōturi tērā maka. Nai tika tambua. Shirat. Acosta. Te ahua neke whakamuri a Matamata, leverage. Oh, ko taka whakamua. Kei te hara mai tēnei. Ngaru, kiwi me ki. Wesley. Coming to this left side. That's the 22-metre line. In view. Still there for the front rowers. Lumuni. Lumuni looking to offload. Does so successfully. Fraser. The defence by Matamata. Can they keep them up and force the turnover? I think they will. It's not quite coming out, but it's there eventually. Fraser. Short ball. Angupo. Offloading. Try time coming, surely. Yes. Pea te whakatau o te kaiwa wao kao. Kāre he piro. No try. Just short.
Kipu, go up. Kipu, go up. You go up. Hey, watch out, dude. Yeah, I started for the third runner. It's hopefully another leggy one like. He was only. Oh, he's going straight back after that. Still. Well, I'm on top there. Hey, get a carry on a 15, eh? Try and get to a 15. Well, get to
There's a player from Matamata getting some attention. It'll be a goal line dropout. Just held up over the line. Lumuni from that dropout. There for Fraser. Good pass. Kōkiri whakamua nā Wesley I tēnei wā. Ko mote tēnā. Ko Maka Hununiu tērā. I haere tonu ana te pōro. Fraser is now playing at halfback, just a miscommunication there, but a advantage was being played. Nō reira he hāmene kei mua I ngā pau. O ka hoki atu ki tērā atu taha o te papa tākaro. So very long advantage. Fraser will tap and go again. And here's Ngatahi. Tino tere ia. Ranama Fitu. More Wesley. The 5 metre line. It's Maisi, who's come on in jersey number 21. Head down. Tata ki te rārangi piro. Fraser might have a go himself. A short ball. There's the post. There's the line. Where's the ball? Centimetres away. Matamata have their hands on it. But a knock on. Ko taka whakamua. Nō reira kei te ora tonu a Matamata College. E noho ana Rātou, ki tō rātou ake rārangi piro mo te wā tēno roa. Ko pauka tō te hau.
Hands up, boys!
And a chance for Matamata to just catch their breath. They've been on defence for quite a while now, deep inside their own 22, absorbing the Wesley College attack, and it's taking a bit of a toll.
Big boss, Wesley!
So the scrum was a worry last time around. They'll need to have a stable scrum here. Te kau mā whetū, ki te kau.
These two. They love to give you dudes each other. Oh, Mum, Jerry will get for something you just sing And it's funny because the only ones who understand is the PGMs on the field. Oh, you're up. Nice! Nice!
Another big Wesley scrum. It's a tight head. You don't see many of those these days. But a penalty. Well, Wesley advantage. Play on. Fraser, they shift it quickly. Going straight up the middle, and again the Matamata defence. Resolute. Holding strong. Close to the line. Over the line. What's the call? Held up. Again. Well, Matamata College is showing huge heart.
Not out, boy!
To prevent Wesley College from extending their lead here. E whana anō mai tō rātou ake, rārangi piro. Oh, good take, Wesley College. Watu levu tēnā. Fraser. Oh, strong run. Still there for Wesley as they shift. Mothe, Jeremiah Mothe. Fraser. Short ball from Muhatahi. Ngari he hamini anō. E hia ngā hamini. Mena he hamini anō tērā pia. Ka neke te ringa o te kaiwa wau. Ki tana pūkoro. Ki te whai kāri pia. Okay, so Matamata College have literally been camped down here for the last few minutes. Oh, stolen from the line out. Huge play by Matamata College. On their own 5 metre line.
It's gonna kick, Levi.
The kick. All sorts of pressure on the kick. But he clears it nicely. What a clutch steal at the line out. Just when Matamata needed it.
It's your ball, Wesley!
Anō, kei te haere. Ko Wesley anō, kei a rātou te poro anō. Kei a rātou, e mauana rātou te poro mo te nuinga o tēnei. Wahanga tuarua, but another steal by Matamata. Oh, but a penalty for offside.
Use it, Wesley!
Penalty for offside. So just when Matamata thought they may have got themselves out of jail and out of danger, a penalty awarded, and they're going to opt for the scrum as Lamuni comes off. A huge performance by him. He deserves the round of applause. Uhatahi was coming off, but looks as though he's staying on. Bit of confusion here. No, Uhatahi, I think, yeah, he's coming off too. Mark Uhatahi, kuia titihi o ngā ihu one o te kapa nei. O hea te whakatau o te kapa nei. Hei, ka te noho a Uhatahi nei, kari e puta, engari ka neke ia ki te poraka nama waru me ki muri o tēnei kakari.
No, because he's not supposed to play. He's not supposed to be playing. That's why I only checked him out for a little bit. That's good.
So, how's the scrum?
I'm getting set as well.
Oh, just not quite set.
And then I just got to I highly doubt Sam's gonna play. Sam's gonna push himself to play. Mom, Sam's really gonna need crutches. You should take him to the crutch. Go, boy!
Ka harawa tēnei kakari mo Wesley. Fraser e puta ai te poro ina nei kia mote ka maka atu ki tēnei taha. Maui, ko Baker tēnei, Lyron Baker. E oma tonu ana te poro, still alive there. Wesley College, a contest there for the ball. What side will it pop over to? Looks as though Matamata have possession. Matamata College from inside their own goal line yet again is cleared. And they continue to survive. Matamata College from this Wesley onslaught.
Come on, Wesley!
E tūtira anō ko Wesley. Oh, kua tāhai te poro. Matamata, he whanaroa. He pewhi ana te whai. Baker finds Byers. The pods are all set and ready to go. Ihatahi. Matamata have, just for now anyway, got themselves out of their own 22. How long can they absorb this relentless pressure from Wesley? Good hands, opens up, ko wahi te rārangi. Great tackle, chopping him down. Baker. It's Fangupo that made the break. Tahi. They go left, they shift it quickly. Baker takes it to the line.
No, Lyron, he's mobile.
Good meters.
Go, boy. Go, boy. Go, boy.
Kui hala maka.
Line out.
He maka poto anō.
Go with him,
Oh, driving over the line, so close. Fraser, short ball, surely. It's a try. And Wesley extend their lead. And the relentless attack just eventually pays off for Wesley.
Good work, boys.
He piro anō. Te waru miniti e toi ana. Tēnei kēmu. Rua te kau mārua ki te kau.
Yeah, exactly. My pin, that's why I can do it. I only let you one pin.
Oh,
It's good, boy.
te pā te poro I te pau. So it's come off the post, unsuccessful conversion. Rua te kau marua, ki te kau.
Hands up, Wesley.
Matamata will need to score 2 quick tries to get back into this one. The high kick. Tap forward by Matamata. Wesley have the advantage for a knock on.
Nice, Oscar.
Fraser kicks. Oh, Goodwin. The danger man, Goodwin. Goodwin. The dancing feet of Goodwin. He hasn't had enough ball, Goodwin. But when he has, he's looked extremely dangerous. And the penalty. Thanks to that run by Goodwin, who's sitting at top of the MVP ladder for the CNI 2026 season. Kāwani kē tērā whana ki te kokonga. Nō reira, he tūtira ke te haere. Ki te rārangi rima mita. Tata ki te rārangi piro. Ko Matamata College tēnei. E mau ana te pōro. Goes to the back, pops off the head, but the call is knock on. They'll be disappointed, Matamata. But the pressure's still on. Wesley, Matamata are at least at the right end of the field. Nō reira, kei te ahua, rite ai tēnei kakari. But this has been Wesley's strength at scrum time. At number 20, Brooklyn Milne has come on at halfback for Matamata. This is not a bad Matamata scrum, actually. Oh, but a penalty here, Hamine, more Wesley.
Come on, Wesley, you said. In front, Juani. It's your ball, Wesley.
Good tussle.
No.
5 minutes to get the ball. Oh, big bump off. See you later. Fraser, e neki ai te pōro he whana. Te muri o te kaupare, engari kua puta ki waho. That was a huge run there. Right into Richard Clothier for Matamata College, who's just receiving a bit of attention at the moment. He mihi ka tika kia whakata Māori. Mo tā rātou pāpahotanga o tēnei kēmu, o tira o tēnei whakataitai I tēnei tau. Ko tēnei te wā tuatahi, ko pāpaho tēnei whakataitai ki te ao. O tira, ka tuku mihi, hoki kia te taura whiri I te reo Māori. Mo tā rātou tautoko. I enei momo kēmu. He mihi hoki kia Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects, me Anchor. So we're almost finished up. There's a couple of minutes remaining here, but Matamata College, despite being behind on the scoreboard, have been simply outstanding this afternoon here at home. A gutsy display from a side who's only just entered this competition for the very first time in 2026. And Wesley College have certainly shown their class in the second half, just pulling away despite the heroic defence by Matamata College. The scoreboard could be much worse for Matamata. They've got the line out Matamata. Ko tēnei a Tiritin, ko tai mai ki te Papatakoro. Aiden Tiritin. Keenan. He Hamene. Nō reira ka oma rātou. Kāre kore. Kia tere. Ka te pau haere te wā, nō reira. Nō tere. Haere rātou. Bonus point also in play if they can score a try and finish within 7 points, Matamata. They'll know that. Let's see what they have up their sleeves. The line out for Matamata has been pretty impressive, with a few steals. This time, it just falls into the hands of Wesley. He whana, ke te haere. O, ke reira, inaunei, mō Maua, ke tōra tonu te pōro, Tiritin. Ka harawa te rārutu. E neki ai inaunei kia Keenan. Ke korā tonu te pōro, mō Matamata. E neki ai inaunei kia tūhakaraina Kaukau. Oh, counter ruck is no good. Another penalty for Matamata. They'll have to tap and go surely. Another kick to the corner, this time to the other corner. So, Kataia e rātou, te mutu ai tēnei kēmu i te piro. A koe nei ka kitea. Nei te tūtira. Oh, again overthrown. A couple of opportunities down here. Matamata College blowing as they seek a losing bonus point in the final couple of minutes of this match. Wesley from inside their 22. They may have second thoughts and they may look to run the ball as well. A little chip and chase. How's the bounce? That's good. Here we go. 1-on-1. Oh, what a tackle by Dylan Goodwin. There's a reason why he's on top of that MVP leaderboard. A try saver. Fraser, short ball. Still going. Pōturi rawa tēnei pōro ki te puta. Ngari Kareira, ki te rataha, poto. Short ball, Uhatahi, the workhorse. Baker, a little dummy in the fan. Baker, a little shimmy in, the nice pass, but just put to ground. Pau haere te wā. Ko ngā toa o tēnei kēmu. For Wesley College. So Wesley College come back strongly in the second half after scores were level at half-time. In the end, breaking away in the second half and defeating Matamata College. Convincingly in the end, but Matamata College will feel very proud of their efforts this afternoon. Full time here at Matamata College. Ko Wesley College, ngā toa, rua tekau, mā rua, ki te tekau. Tūrau, Hawaii.